Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from iTechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will checking out another camera, but this is different like the other cameras I tested before. So if you ever wanted to keep an eye on your front door, driveway or even your car without drilling holes into your walls or paying monthly subscription fees, then today's video might be exactly what you are looking for. Today we are checking out the Outinput P340W, a smart window security camera that's designed to sit inside your home while monitoring everything outside. It's designed to be easy to install, offers 2K video recording, color night vision, optional AI features and local storage without forcing you into a monthly subscription. So guys, after the intro, let's get it unboxed and let's see what's inside the box. Let's go! So as usually guys, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you'll find the Outinput P340W camera itself, along with the magnetic window mount that makes installation incredibly simple. You also get a generous 3-meter USB power cable, 8 cable clips to keep everything looking nice and tidy, plus the user manual to help you get everything up and running. It's straightforward package, but everything you need for installation is included right out of the box. Alright, now let's get everything installed. One of the biggest advantages of the P340W is just how easy to set it up. Unlike traditional outdoor security cameras, you don't need to drill any holes in your walls or run cables outside your home. Instead, the camera mounts directly onto your window using the magnetic mounting system, creating a clean and secure installation while helping reduce reflections through the glass compared to traditional Velcro mounting systems. For renters or anyone who simply doesn't want to permanently install a camera outside, this is really smart solution. Another features I really like is the adjustable mounting bracket. It offers up to 18-degree viewing angle adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune exactly what the camera sees. Whether you are monitoring your front door, driveway, pathway, or even the street outside, having that extra flexibility makes a noticeable difference during installation. And now let's talk about the image quality, because that's really matters. The Outinput P340W records in 2K resolution, producing sharp detailed footage through the day. Faces, vehicles and deliveries are all easy to recognize thanks to the high resolution. Once it gets dark, the camera switches over to its Starlight color night vision technology, allowing it to continue recording in color even in low light conditions. Compared to traditional black and white infrared footage, having color videos gives you much more useful information if you ever need to review an event. And there are also a local storage or a cloud options. One thing I know many people appreciate is having the choice when it comes to the storage. With the P340W, you can simply insert a microSD card and record everything locally without paying any monthly subscription. If you prefer cloud storage and additional features, those are available as optional upgrades, but you're never forced into paying for them, which is always nice to see. And now let's speak about the connectivity and the multi-camera support. Setting everything up was also nice and straightforward. The camera supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, making it compatible with the most modern home routers. If you are planning a larger home security system, the app can also manage up to 16 cameras at the same time, allowing you to monitor multiple areas around your property from one place. Alright, let me mention the Smart AI detection system. If you decide to enable the optional AI package, the camera can recognize a wide variety of different events. It can detect people, vehicles, package, pets, flames and even wildlife, helping reduce unnecessary notifications while keeping you informed about the events that you actually matter. There are also dedicated AI modes for baby monitoring, elderly care, and pet monitoring, making it much more than just a standard security camera depending on your needs. The nice thing is that these features are optional, so you can choose exactly what works best for your home. So after spending some time using this camera, I think the biggest strength is the convenience. You get a proper outdoor monitoring solution while keeping the camera safely inside your home. Installation is incredibly easy, Image quality has been impressive during both day and night, and having local storage without mandatory subscription fees is definitely something a lot of people will appreciate. It's especially useful if you are renting, living in an apartment, or simply don't want to drill into your property's exterior. So guys, it's time to wrap up. Here is my honest thoughts about this camera. Overall, I think the Outinput P340W delivers exactly what it's designed to do. It combines easy installation, good 2K image quality, impressive color night vision, flexible storage options, and useful AI features into a package that's simple enough for almost anyone to set up. If you've been looking for a window-mounted security camera that doesn't require complicated installation, this is definitely one worth checking. Guys, honestly, I've been trying to find something negative stuff, bad stuff, or like cons about this product, but there's none. Like, the image quality good, the installation is super simple, the price is really good. It's just actually it's just good. It's up. Guys, for that price range, I absolutely recommended this product. And a huge thanks to Outinput to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. You guys can check your link down in the description below if you want to buy it for yourselves. So guys, thank you for watching. It was Akers from iTechFlow. It was a window camera from Outinput. Stay safe and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.